balanced. Okay, to need the balancing of the chemical reaction. Then how we balance the chemical reaction and which chemical laws follows the balancing of the chemical reaction. So now you study in the 9th class the one mass conservation law or law of mass conservation, right? What is the mass conservation law? Mass conservation law, all the masses of the universe is constant, not change during the chemical reaction, in the sense कि mass of the reactant is equal to the mass of the product. Now you see some examples for the balancing of the chemical reaction. Now see, combustion of methane. This is the example. Now see combustion of methane. The first step, firstly you write the reaction methane plus oxygen and form the carbon dioxide and water. Now we have used the second step, write the symbolic form of the chemical reaction. In the second step we write the symbolic form of the chemical reaction. CH4, this is the symbolic form of the methane, and oxygen O2 is the symbolic form of the oxygen. Then CO2 is the symbolic form of the carbon dioxide and water is the symbolic form of the water. Okay, after then we write next step, step third, write the name of the element and number of the atom in left hand side and number of atom of the right hand side. Now you see the carbon, how many atoms of the carbon in left hand side? This is the 1, right? Then how many hydrogen, number of the atom in left hand side is the 4, CH4, H4, this is the 4. Then number of the atom in left hand side, oxygen is 2. After then now write the number of the atom in right hand side, carbon 1, oxygen 2, sorry, hydrogen 2 and oxygen is the 2, 1 and 3, right? So in number of the atom in right hand side, this is carbon is 1, hydrogen is 2, oxygen is 3. This is the third step. After then write the next step, number of atom of the left hand side and number of the atom of the right hand side is unequal. Now you select the sum in unequal values. Now see carbon is the equal to the left hand side and right hand side, but the hydrogen is not equal in both sides, right? So after then you balance the hydrogen in next step. Now see in next step balance the hydrogen, then multiply by the 2. Now see number of the atom in right hand side, this equal to the left hand side when we multiply the 2. कब होगा? जब इसको आप multiply करोगे, right? Then we have used the next step. This is the equal step 6. Number of the atom is equal to the left hand side and right hand side. This is the oxygen is unequal amounts. Now again we multiply the 2, H2O. The oxygen is the 2 and 2, 4. But oxygen in left hand side is the only 2. Okay. So now again we balance the oxygen atom equalized to the left hand side and right hand side. Now see next step, the again we multiply the oxygen atoms multiply by the 2. Now multiply by the 2, right? Multiply by the 2, or after then this reaction or this equation is the balance. Okay. After then we have used the next step, step 9. Now see the number of atom in left hand side or number of atom in right hand side is equal when 2 multiply by the oxygen atom and 2 multiply by the water atoms, right? Now this is the balance of the chemical reaction through the left hand side. So now we understand this concept and balance the chemical reactions. Next step, combustion of methane is the balancing of chemical reaction is the CH4 in bracket gas plus 2O2 in bracket gas give rise to carbon dioxide in bracket G and plus 2H2O present in the liquid form. Then in balancing of chemical reaction, we also write the gaseous form and liquid form or solid form in these equations. Okay. Now in next step, step 11, we write the reaction conditions. The reaction is completed in which condition? Okay, the reaction is completed on the heating condition. Now you see this sign is the heating sign. The reaction condition also write in the chemical reaction, and after then write down the balanced chemical reaction. This is the next example, the balanced chemical reaction of zinc with sulfuric acid. Now you see the answer of this chemical reaction is, first step we write the chemical reaction, in second step we write the symbolic form of the chemical reaction, in third step we write the left hand side number of atom of the present in left hand side or number of atom of the present in the right hand side. The zinc present in the 1, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4, and number of the atom of the right hand side, zinc 1, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1 and oxygen 4. Now next step, then now you check the number of the atom is equal to the each element of left hand side and right hand side equation is the balance. Now you see this reaction is already balanced. Okay. Then balance of the following reaction, reaction of the red hot iron with the steam. Now you see the first reaction, reaction of the red hot iron with steam. Second example, reaction of aluminium with oxygen. The answer is the H2S plus O2 gave rise to the H2O plus sulfur dioxide. The balance equation given below. Now we balance, you write the left hand side number of atom and right hand side of number of atom. Now you see hydrogen is 2, right hand side is hydrogen also 2, sulfur is 1, sulfur is also right hand side 1, but the oxygen is unequal amount. Right now see the oxygen is present in the unequal amount. We have used the next step then balance the oxygen molecules. In next step then balance the oxygen molecule. How we balance the oxygen molecule? Now you see oxygen is the 2 and oxygen is the 3. This molecule or this molecule, then this multiply by the 3 by 2. Now you see this molecule multiply by the 3 by 2 and we multiply the 3 by 2 of the oxygen. This reaction is the balanced chemical reaction, 3 molecule of this or 3 molecule of this. This is the balanced chemical reaction. Okay, thank you.